What's up, everyone? We're here in Phoenix, Arizona. We're about to go to the Hole in the Rock. Let's go!
Welcome to our family travel vlog. Join us as we explore the beautiful destinations around the United States. This time, we are visiting Hole in the Rock in Phoenix, Arizona. Did you know that Hole in the Rock was created by wind and water erosion over millions of years? So now it's time to get ready for a fun-filled trip filled with breathtaking sights and unforgettable memories. When you get here, going to the Hole in the Rock is free, and so is parking. All right, do I look official now with my poncho, my hat, my walking stick? See, it's always fun to have people go with you. That's why every trip you see us in, we'll have some special guests. Got my cousin and her family here today. Look at this. All right, we're also gonna meet up with my brother. You've seen Eiffel, but we're gonna go to hang out with Lee and his family. And with Lee, he's about to have twins, so this might be the last time we see him out and about. Do I look like a tourist?
Hi, guys.
No, you actually made it.
Look like you belong.
Look at all this family. I know, I bought all of them one. Like, come on, guys.
Trail is just like a 5-minute walk that brings you straight to the hole right there, but everybody else climbs up to the very top. That's kind of risky. Look, it's like a 10-year-old right there at the very top.
That might be his last birthday.
Yeah.
Whoever comes to Phoenix has to take the obligatory photo at Hole in the Rock. Whoa! That would have been good on YouTube.
Action shot.
I would have fell if I didn't have this stick.
That would have been perfect.
20 well spent.
And then it gets like 10 million
Cheaper
views.
than the hospital bill.
Ready?
All right, look at this. More cousins. How's it going, man?
Hi.
Look at all these kids. They're not kids anymore. This one's an adult.
Yep, it's a grown man in the back.
Oh, he's tall.
Yeah.
How'd you get so tall, man? You got taller than last time I saw you.
Milk.
Milk?
It does the body good.
All right, guys, let's go. There's a lot of Filipinos in one little area. But I'm the only Filipino with a walking stick. So there's a nice path over here, but definitely no strollers. And you know it's Asian people because camera to camera. Yeah, so the paths here, look at this, they have rocks. It is a very clear path. And I have seen a lot of kids. Just make sure you keep a good eye on them.
Yeah, so it's all connected. Desert Botanical Garden, Hole in the Rock, and the Phoenix Zoo, all in the same location.
So when you're coming here, you can actually cover all three at the same time. One thing I like about these places is it's a nice short hike to get to the payoff. The good old days, but you didn't care about getting hurt. That's a nice shot there.
Subscribe to Santos Chronicles.
That's hilarious. It's hilarious till it actually rolls and it falls. I got videotape of you pushing it. There's a person all the way up there with a camera. That's crazy. So this structure has been around from 6 to 15 million years ago. So there is a sandstone. And what I heard was that there was water here that basically eroded the sandstone, which created two holes. The hole right there and also the hole up there. So the most important thing to do here is to actually walk into the lower level of the Hole in the Rock. So hopefully I don't fall. Okay, here we go. Oh, there is stairs. That'll help. I was like, Yeah, I know. Now I gotta find my family.
Yep.
I made it. What is it? You guys like bunching together for like safety? What's happening here?
It's pack mentality. Protect the herd. Protect the herd.
I think I'm gonna stay down here because when I twist my ankle, it's not 1 or 2 days anymore. It's a good 1 month. Okay, let me record this before you fall. Oh boy. Oh, that was a slip right there.
Oh.
You could have given a tour of the hospital. We got Jason over here. He's our resident tour guide. So in this view, because this is one of the perfect views around here.
It's gorgeous.
What's around here?
So you got Papago Park over here.
What is that?
That is
the Papago Mountains in
Okay.
Arizona and Phoenix. And then you got downtown over here. You got Chase Stadium where the Diamondbacks play, right in downtown. Over here is Phoenix Sky Harbor. South Mountain's up there where the TV towers are. And then over here you got Tempe Town Lake over here. And then up north is Scottsdale.
So how long did you live around here before?
About 8 years.
During what time was that? Was that early 20s?
Right as the Great Recession hit, 2009.
Ooh.
Good time to buy a house here. Not a good time to sell a house.
So there's a lot of nooks and crannies that everybody just kind of climbs over here. I'm not that brave. But overall, like when you get here, how much time does it take? From the parking lot all the way over there to get up to here, it's probably like 10 minutes. Take 10 minutes to take some photos, 10 minutes to go down. So it's a short thing, so there's a lot of other places. You know what? Even though it's a hole in the rock and we love to like just take a little hikes, in the end, it's really about getting the family together and to be able to just do things while we're all here in Arizona today. Click the end card right here to see more of our Arizona adventures.